Hello friends, this video on gravitation part 15 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Please make sure that you have watched all the videos from part 1 to 14 before going ahead with part 15. You know that there is no atmosphere on moon. But do you know why and how is it related to the concept of escape velocity? We will see that now. We already derived the expression for escape velocity as root over 2g RE. So this is the expression for escape velocity when I talk of the escape velocity on Earth. Now if I talk of escape velocity on Moon, it would be root over 2g Rm, where Rm is the radius of the moon. Now we know that the acceleration due to gravity on the surface of the moon, this g will also be gm and this g is the acceleration due to gravity on Earth. So we know that the acceleration due to gravity on moon is 1/6 of the acceleration due to gravity on Earth. And we also know that the radius of the moon is 1/4 of the radius of the Earth. So using these values, we can say that the escape velocity on moon is equal to, which is equal to root over 2 gm Rm. This we can say is equal to root over 2 into g by 6 into Re by 4. So this we can say is equal to root over GRE divided by 12, which is equal to 1 by root over 24 escape velocity of Earth. This comes out to be 1 by root over 24 of the escape velocity of Earth. Now this root 24 we can approximately take it as 1 by 5 of the escape velocity of Earth. So we arrived at a conclusion that the value of escape velocity on moon is 1/5 of the value of escape velocity on Earth. What does that mean? That means since the escape velocity is lower or lesser on moon, that means any object which is thrown with this much velocity will go out of the gravitational pull of the moon. That means that object will not stay within the moon. It will just go out into the outer space. So therefore, the gas molecules, if formed on moon surface, any gas molecule with velocity greater than this value. Now if you calculate this value, it comes out to be something around 2.3 kilometers per second, which is not a very high value. This velocity is quite a low value. So any gas molecules which even if gets formed on the surface of the moon, whichever has velocity equal to or greater than 2.3 kilometers per second will escape out of the gravitational pull of the moon. So not many gas molecules will be able to get collected within the moon to form the atmosphere, and that is the reason why there is no atmosphere on moon. Now let us solve some problems on escape velocity. Let's see problem 1. It says calculate the escape velocity on the surface of the moon given that the radius of the moon is 1.7 into 10 to the power 6 meters and the mass of the moon is 10 to the power 22 kgs. We know that escape velocity is given by root over 2gm divided by r. So in this case, what all values are given? Radius of the moon is given as 1.7 into 10 to the power 6 meters. Mass of the moon is given as 10 to the power 22 kgs. And g we already know as 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Therefore, the escape velocity will be equal to root over 2 into 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into 10 to the power 22 divided by 1.7 into 10 to the power 6. So this value on calculation comes out to be 2.4 into 10 to the power 3 meter per second. So this would be the value of escape velocity on the surface of the moon. Now let us go ahead and look at another problem. Now let us look at the next problem. It says, what is the escape velocity from Jupiter given that its mass is 300 times that of the Earth's and its radius is 10 times larger? That means in this question we are given that mass of Jupiter is 300 times the mass of the Earth, and also radius of Jupiter is 10 times the radius of the Earth. Now we know that escape velocity is equal to root over 2gm divided by r, right? So here we are calculating this for Jupiter. So this would be root over 2g mj divided by rj. So this is equal to 2g into 300 me divided by 10 into re. So this comes out to be root over 30 into root over 2gme divided by re. Now what is this value? This is nothing but the escape velocity on the surface of the Earth. So that means this is equal to root over 30 into value of escape velocity on the surface of the Earth. Now we know that the value of escape velocity on the Earth's surface is 11.2 kilometers per second. How do we get that value? Just you can put the value of g as 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. You can put the value of mass of the Earth, and we can put the value of radius of the Earth. So this comes out to be something around 6.4 into 10 to the power 24 kgs. Similarly, in this you get something approximately 6 into 10 to the power 6, or whatever the radius of the Earth is. So these are all constant values. So using these values, you find that the escape velocity on the surface of the Earth is 11.2 kilometers per second. So this value comes out to be 61.3 kilometers per second. So this would be the value of escape velocity from Jupiter. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thank you once again.